Switch the language. KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro supports Chinese, English, and Polish. To switch the language, do the following. To enter the menu interface, press Menu. To enter the interface of System Maintenance, select 7 System Upkeep by pressing down or up and press OK. To check the supported language, select 1 Language by pressing down or up and press OK. Select the target language by pressing down or up and press OK. KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro automatically restarts. Switch the language. The following.
Press Menu, then 7 System Upkeep, then 1 Language, then select the target language.